Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. So let's tap. Then let's tap on languages at the top and tap on system languages. Tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you have to simply scroll and find it, or just tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply. So let me choose maybe Turkish. Just tap on it, choose the region if you can. And as you can see, my language has been immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So to set the new language, we have to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And then your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language. So just tap on change to confirm, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So let me do it again, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Confirm it, and we've got English. If you wish, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.